It's funny, I've made the joke the other day is that I've worked my whole career to do the same thing I did at the beginning of my career, which is hang out in my basement, dress however I want to dress, come in and work with great people and just make songs every day. I had to go around the full world circuit and the gambit and accomplish and touch the top of the mountain to realize that the process is actually the whole reason to wake up. It's the process. It's nothing else. It's the process.
It's the process, where the boss is, where the secret door to the top is, where the pick a path to the top is. This moment of thought, so you can't stop this. If you lost the fire, you should start this and double down on your process. And even when beat can't block this. Wanna be successful, rock this. Don't have to be medical doctors to diagnose where the cause is, where the flaw is, where the block is, what starts to start and pauses. It's lack of a proven process. Lack of a proven process. Lack of a proven process. It's lack of a proven process.
Committed to the process, and that's my flow. Committed to the process, and not the dough. Committed to the process, and not the show. Committed to the process, to the process.
Committed to the process. I'm giving all I got. I know that it's a long ride. I know it can take some time. Sometimes it's a wave, tsunami. Others it's flatline. You've been swiping down, refreshing, trying to see those likes rise. But let it go. You ain't ever gonna stop. Doesn't matter if they like, comment, share, follow or not. And you know you can't lose if you don't give up. So be patient, trust the process. Commit, come on, you got this. Yeah.
Committed to the process, and that's my flow. Committed to the process, and not the dough. Committed to the process, and not the show. Committed to the process, to the process.
I commit, I don't care how long it takes to get to where I'm supposed to get. I gotta follow God no matter what, there ain't no looking back. I've been on my grind since a kid, 110%. I trust the process that I'm in. Committed
to the process, and that's my flow. Committed to the process, and not the dough. Committed to the process, and not the show. Committed to the process,